What to consider on your checklist when inspecting hand toolbox? This is one of the questions raised by Mr. Francis, one of my YouTube viewer and the family member of Safety First Life. But before going on the checklist, I would like to make it clear for all of you what is a hand toolbox, what are the importance and the benefits of a hand toolbox. So stick around till the end to understand this important safety question in detail. A toolbox or a toolkit. It refers to a pouch, a bag, or a portable container or storage unit designed to store and organize various hand tools used for manual tasks and repair. It is typically made of durable materials such as metal, plastic, or wood, and comes in various sizes and configurations. Dear friends and fellows, a hand toolbox serves as a centralized storage solution for hand tools, keeping them organized, protected, and easily accessible. It typically features compartments, drawers, trays, or holders that allow tools to be neatly arranged and stored according to the size and type. The toolbox may have a lid or doors that can be secured with locks or latches to keep the tools secure during transportation or when not in use. Hand toolboxes are commonly used in various settings, including construction sites, workshops, automotive repair shops, and at homes. They can contain a wide range of hand tools, including wrenches, pliers, screwdrivers, hammers, measuring tape, and much more, depending on the specific needs of the user or the industry. The hand toolbox not only provides convenient storage and organization, but also helps protect the tools from damage, loss, or theft. It allows users to easily transport their tools to different work areas and ensures that the necessary tools are readily available, accessible when needed, promoting efficiency and productivity. These are the features, these are the benefits, and this is the importance of a hand toolbox. Overall, a hand toolbox is an essential accessory, a part of professionals, craftsmen, and domestic workers, enabling them to keep their hand tools in order, maintain their condition, and have a portable and convenient solution for accessing and carrying their tools wherever they go. Now, the question starts for Mr. Francis. When inspecting a hand toolbox, what you need to consider? If you are using a checklist, you need to consider number 1 point is toolbox condition. Check for any signs of damage, such as cracks or dents that may compromise the integrity of the toolbox. Ensure that the toolbox is clean and free from debris or clutter. Point number 2, tools organization. Evaluate the organization of tools within the toolbox to ensure easy access and retrieval. Check if tools are properly labeled or marked for identification or not. Point number 3, tool condition. Inspect each tool for any visible damage such as broken handles, rust, or dull blades. Ensure that cutting tools are sharp and in proper working condition. Check for any missing or misplaced tools. You are on the platform of Safety First Life. If you are watching for the first time, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon for all future notifications. And if you find the video informative, then like, comment and share it with your friends and fellows. Today, I'm discussing about the safety of hand toolbox. What you need to consider are what must be the part of checklist when you are inspecting hand toolbox or hand tools gear. Point number 4, tools functionality. Test the functionality of each tool to ensure that they are in good working condition. Verify that tools with moving parts such as pliers or wrenches operate smoothly without any issues. Point number 5, safety equipment. Confirm the presence of necessary safety equipment such as gloves, safety glasses, or ear protection within the toolbox. Ensure that safety equipment is in good condition and not expired. Point number 6, ergonomics. Assess if the toolbox is ergonomically designed with consideration for weight distribution and comfortable handles. Check if there are any ergonomic accessories such as anti-vibration gloves included in the toolbox. Point number 7, maintenance records. Review maintenance records to ensure that tools have been regularly inspected, maintained, and calibrated as required. Check if there are any pending or upcoming maintenance tasks for the tools. Point number 8, documentation. Ensure that necessary manuals, instruction sheets, or safety data sheets SDS are available and easily accessible within the toolbox. Point number 9, user training. Verify that users of the toolbox have received proper training on tool handling, safety procedures, and maintenance. And the last point, point number 10, compliance with safety regulations. Check if the toolbox and tools comply with relevant safety regulations and industry standards. Dear friends and fellows, by considering these points during your toolbox inspection, you can help ensure that hand tools are in good condition, function properly, and contribute to a safe and efficient working environment. Dear Mr. Francis, thank you very much for raising an important safety question. I hope if you will remember these 10 important points, you can easily maintain and upkeep thorough inspection of hand tool boxes in your project on your site. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Wish to see you soon with a new HSC tutorial. Until then, take care, good luck and goodbye.